Hey guys, this is Mrs. Morgan with 10-7 Similar Triangles. In this lesson, you will learn to use properties of similar triangles to determine whether triangles are similar and to solve for missing parts of triangles. What are similar triangles? They are triangles that are the same shape but different sizes. And how do I know if two triangles are similar? Either the sides will be proportional or the corresponding angles will be equal. We're going to determine whether these triangles are similar. And to do that, we're going to test with the sides. Now, one thing you should notice about the sides is that this triangle here is tilted over just a little bit. So in your head, you'll kind of want to lean it back so that it's in the same sort of position as this other one here. So here's with our our right angle and our one arc. So we'll have 10, 20, and 24. And now it's really easy to see which sides are corresponding. Corresponding means in the same position. So for example, our 5 and our 10 are in the same position, our 10 and our 20 are in the same position, and our 12 and our 24 are in the same position. Now we're going to test and see if these sides are proportional, and to do that we are going to, well, set up a proportion. So since 5 and 10 match up, I'm going to go 5 over 10. And since 10 and 20 match up, I'm going to put 10 over 20. And there are a couple of ways to check this thing out. I know this one's really easy to see because 5 over 10 simplifies to half and 10 over 20 simplifies to half. So that would be one way to check it. However, sometimes they're not always going to be that easy. So remember your cross products. So you'll want to multiply this way and this way to make sure that things check out. 5 times 20 is 100, and 10 times 10 is also 100. So since these sides are proportional, yes, these are similar. Okay. Another way we can tell is by looking at the angles. And again, we have that situation where this triangle is kind of tilted. So you'll need to kind of flip it around in your head. And we'll have our one arc. Wow, that looks terrible. I'm sorry. But you'll have your 55-degree angle and your 55-degree angle. Quick reminder in case you need it, triangles have 180 degrees total. So if for some reason we needed to find this missing angle, you'd go 180 minus 55 minus 55, and that is, what is that, 110? That's 70. So if you need that missing angle, this is 70 degrees. And when we look at this, corresponding angles means angles in the same position. Well, when we look at our matching angles, 46, 55, 46, 55, and this last one here, 88 and 70, our corresponding angles are definitely not equal. So, no, these are not proportional. And for this, you guys not equal, so not proportional. The 8th grade answer to this question would be no. Okay, moving along. Another thing that we're going to do is find the measures of missing sides. They will give you a general picture like these guys, and you're going to do like 5 problems off of it. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is kind of redraw the triangles on your paper, but for you, you're going to put in the sides we're going to pretend that those look like those. You're going to put in the sides that you know. So we have A equals 18. Well, here's your A, so put an 18 here. B is 9, so here's B, put a 9 right here. We know E is 6, so put a 6 here. And we know that F is 10, so go ahead and put a 10 here. And we are finding missing sides, so the side that we don't have is C over here, and the side that we don't have on this triangle is D up here. And we're going to set up two proportions. The first one, I'm going to come over here, and let's see, we want to find out what C is, and C's matching side is 10. So you'll go C over 10. And then we just need another side that has both numbers, so you're definitely going to want 9 and 6, that it's important to stay in the right order. And then you're going to go ahead and solve these using your cross products. So we're going to multiply this way and get 90. And we're going to multiply this way and we'll have 6C. And you just solve that down, divide by 6, divide by 6. So C is 15. So that's one of our missing sides. Now we're going to find the other one, which is side D. So we'll put a 2 over here. And for D, we're going to want 18 over D. And since we went from here to here, we'll go, we can do 9 over 6 again. And you can cross product these, that is just fine. However, if you also notice, because what that would be like 90 over or equal to 108. And I suppose I'll solve it down for you. Divide by 9, divide by 9. D equals 12. The other way you can do that, though, is if you just look across, isn't this a times 2 relationship right here? So you could just go this way, times 2. So yeah, that's how you find your missing sides. And if you have any questions, again, don't worry about it too much. I will be back on Wednesday and we can talk about it then. Good luck!